Welcome to a 2-minute astrophotography tutorial. Today we will be processing the Lagoon Nebula in GIMP. This software is exceedingly powerful. It rivals Photoshop. The best thing about GIMP is that it's absolutely free to download. Let's start by opening up the stacked photo. So go to Image and open up the stacked file. I, for one, ignore these warnings. This is how the stacked picture should look like, almost pitch black. First, let's do some curve adjustments. To do that, go to Colors and then Curves. Let's stretch the data like this. Press OK. Go to Curves again and perform another stretch. And next, go to Levels and adjust the black point. As you can see, there is green tint throughout the photo. Let's remove this by going to Curves again, and from the channel selecting green and pulling it back in the shadows. Next, go to Color Saturation. Increase it according to your needs. Next, go to Colors and click on Color Temperature. Play around with the settings until you are satisfied. Let's reduce the noise by going to Filters, Enhance, Noise Reduction. You can choose the strength here. Press OK. Well, that's it. This picture, in my view, is ready to be shared with family and friends. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe.